Alright everybody, I'm back. I'm going to start keeping my videos a little shorter, just because it takes forever for my computer to upload. But anyway, I initially started a repair because this carry bearing was bad. I knew it was bad. I put it in the truck just so it could move itself around the yard when it needed to be moved. And this carry bearing was bad. It still rolled fine, but there was no grease left in it. I actually pulled this down, the seal here, and plugged it full of PV Blaster just to hold it over. I took the truck for a test drive. It held out, but the second test drive I felt it start to try and lock up, so I brought it back and parked it. I bought a new one today. This is what's left of it. I used to press and pressed it off. And the rubber housing is still good. It's just, I just got it shoved in there partially. The bracket that comes off the bottom that holds it all on. The part number that you need, at least for a 95 F250 with a ZF5, and it's a two-piece drive shaft in the rear, this is the part number you need from O'Reilly's. 6038. And that's what mine was. It's pretty good size. I mean, this is how big my hand is. So, and I can fit 3 of my fingers in there pretty well, so that's pretty good size. But yeah, that's the repair. That's one of the repairs I just did. While I was down there unbolting the drive shaft and everything, I happened to look over, and my pinion seal was leaking. And if you guys have watched the other videos, you know I just got done putting all new axle tube seals. I basically went through the whole rear axle. The only thing I didn't replace was a seal. Well, lo and behold, it was leaking. You could see fresh fluid. And so it was $12. I went ahead and replaced it while I was under there. It wasn't hard, just kind of a pain in the butt, but it came out just fine. The new one's in, so this, the new carry bearing I believe was like $21 before tax. The new seal, it was a national brand. Let's see if I can find that box here. Here it is. The part number you need for the seal national brand is this one. It's a 4278. And it's national, and all these parts came from O'Reilly's. So yeah, again, for the pinion seal on a 94 F250 Sterling 10 1/4 is a 4278 national. So yeah, 4278. I got another number there, 1R17013. So I think this was like $12. And it says national, but then if you look right down here, it says federal. So, you know, take from that what you will. But so this was 21, that was 12. And again, the part number for this is a 6138. So it's the bigger of the two. I bought the last one they had in stock. So, and everybody says these things don't last no time at all. The Precisions don't. If it doesn't, then I'll go to Spicer and buy one from them. They seem to have a better one. Or I'm thinking about down the road converting to a one-piece drive shaft in the rear. But I've seen some bad side effects from that, so I'm still digging on research for that. Anyway, this is the truck as it sits. Took it for a drive. It drives good. A lot of power. This thing moves. The ball joints and the bottom ball joint on this thing is totally shot. It's roached. I don't care. All 3 U-joints are bad. The ball joints on the other side are bad. I don't care. This TTB is not staying under there. I hate TTBs on F250s and bigger. That's my 60 Kingpin. It's going in. I'm missing like 2 or 3 of the parts I need. Once I get those, it'll go in. But let me get back here. But this is the truck. And the starting issue I had, amazingly enough, is slowly fixing itself. The more and more I drive it. So I'm not sure what that was, but it seems to be fixing itself. I ordered a Donaldson Blue air filter kit from Riff Raff. It was $92 shipped. It should be here tomorrow, so I'll have an air filter on it. Yes, I drove it without our filter. Yes, I know that's stupid, but I couldn't wait. Boost fooler. It was already on the 97 when I got it, so I just kept it. My regulator stuff's in there. So, and I got I got 3.5 gallons worth of antifreeze in here. It's supposed to take 4, so I'm like a half gallon short, but it's summer, and I'm not going to worry about it. I have SuperTech 15W40 in this thing right now. I am actually going to drive it for a little bit once I get, because I just sent the title off for it today. But once it gets back and get this thing insured and licensed, I'm going to drive it for a week and then drain all that out and put Rotella 1540 in it. I just had that cheap oil in there just to wash any gunk out because I had to oil pan off this engine. This engine's sat for a while, so hopefully it's all right. But I gave it a bath today, just a rag bath with a water hose. I still got to get door panels. I took the window felts off. I got to order them from Bronco Graveyard. But yeah, she's coming along nicely. That is awesome. Pollen is killing me. But I'm going to get off here and thinking about putting the radio in and put my speakers in so I have radio, and fixing a very odd issue. My speedometer waves at me going down the road. So I think I know what it is. I think it's a bad wire. But anyway, got any questions or comments, feel free. But yeah, operational now. It was a 94 F250 with an IDI, and now it is a 94 F250 with a Power Stroke, and it works marvelously. Later, guys.